Good afternoon. I'm Jeffrey with Habibi's Home Medical and Habibi's Durable Medical, and today we're going to be talking about the pulse oximeter, sometimes just called a pulse ox. Now, what this device does is it actually takes and measures the concentration of oxygen within your blood, and it takes your heartbeat as well. This particular model that we have is from SureLife, and this pulse oximeter is hospital grade. And this is important because we do actually have some nurses and staffs at clinics that actually get these from us, and they have to be quality assured that they're hospital grade. So what you're going to get when you get one of these from us is you're going to get the certificate of hospital grade, you're going to get the user manual, you're going to get the actual pulse oximeter, a lanyard. Now this will allow you to hang this from your neck if you're in a clinic setting, but most of them just clip them to their pocket when they're not using them. And 2 AAA batteries. Now the thing I like about this particular SureLife model of pulse oximeter is a couple things. Number one, it takes the AAA batteries, but the nice thing is they've done this so that both the batteries go in the same direction, negative on the bottom and positive on the top. And the reason that's nice is it just makes it easy. You don't have to worry about looking at tiny little print that shows the battery pointing this way or this way. You just put them both in the same direction. Close that up. Now, to turn this on, you put your finger within like so, and you push the little button. And it's ready to read. Now this takes a couple seconds because it has to take a reading, but then it does. And look at that. I'm at 98% pulse ox, but it's hot today, so I'm sure that I'm straining just a little bit. My heart rate's a little bit fast. It's because you guys make me nervous. The thing that's nice about this particular pulse ox from SureLife is the fact that if you want to put it on somebody's finger and you're looking at it from this direction, you can push that and it'll flip this around, so you don't have to disturb or move the patient in any way in the bed. These models have a memory on them that'll store up to 99 numbers, so we hope that this has helped you out. You've probably seen a lot of these during the pandemic, and now that the pandemic's over, you're not seeing them as much, and everybody's got these, but these are very useful within the home if you've got somebody that's on oxygen, maybe using a CPAP and having troubles with the CPAP at night, or somebody that has a nebulizer or asthma or COPD. This is very useful to keep in mind. It's better than waiting till somebody has blue lips and you know that they're low on oxygen. So if you want one of these fine devices, you just go to gohhm.com and we'll have one for you. We wish you would subscribe to our channel if you need more information like this, and also please comment. We want to know what you guys think out there. We want to know what devices you would like to see us feature, show how to use, show how to set up, show how to assemble, and how to qualify for through Medicare and various other insurances. Thank you guys for your time. Have a great day.